Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel English Mania. So today in this video I am going to explain you the lesson 4.2 To Serve with Love written by E.R. Braithwaite. It's an autobiographical novel. What is an autobiographical novel? A novel where the writer shares his own experiences. By seeing this particular image, you can easily guess the theme and story of the novel. So, there are some major characters of the novel. The writer himself is a narrator of this novel. Some other major characters are Blanchard, Mrs. Delivance, Denham, Pamela Dare, Mr. Florian, and there are many minor characters also. So, the story is based on the life of the author E.R. Braithwaite. So, the main character, the narrator, works as an engineer in an oil refinery. He has also served in the Royal British Air Force in the war, but he is unable to find employment. Being a black person, at last he applies in a school to become a teacher, and he is accepted at the Greenslade School in London's East End, and he is set to teach senior classes of the school. But he faced certain problems there. So the problems Braithwaite faced are: number one, even though he considers himself British and has served in the Royal Air Force, the English do not consider him to one of them. So while reading the novel, we have to understand that the time period in which the story takes place is very important, because Braithwaite finds that even though he considers himself British and has served in the Royal Air Force, the English do not consider him to be one of them, and this leads Braithwaite to feel bitter about the English and colonialism, as well as about his white students. Second problem is, he considers his students are disrespectful, ill-mannered and mischievous, while his students consider him to be an arrogant outsider. See, so explaining this second problem, I can say Braithwaite's teaching position starts very roughly. He considers his students disrespectful, ill-mannered and mischievous, while on the other hand, his students considered him to be arrogant outsider, unfamiliar with the social environment in which they have grown up. So, the students harass him from day one, slamming their desk during his lecture, using foul language, and bullying him to a great extent. Even the girl students do not spare a moment to harass him. And he reacted verbally, scolds them for acting in an unladylike manner. But he used certain unique techniques to overcome this problem. So there are some unique techniques he used. First, he changes his teaching and handling tactics. So when he understands that his outburst has not gained him any respect and cooperation from the students, so he changes his teaching and handling techniques, and he decides to interact with them as though they are adults and respectable persons. So he addresses every girl as Miss, and his students call him Sir finally. And this marks the success of Braithwaite in handling the students in a very amicable way. Next technique. After a few weeks, they completely changed both their hygiene and their attitudes. So his new techniques are, he takes them on field trips. So to increase the class cultural exposure, he takes them on field trips and excursions to museums and theaters. To everyone's surprise, many of the students have never been to theaters and museums. And a white female teacher named Gillian Blanchard accompanies the class on these excursions. This marks the beginning of a friendship between Blanchard and Braithwaite. Similarly, Braithwaite's relationship with his students is tested many a times. His students frequently disappoint and hurt him, but he learns to forgive them. There is one of the incidents. The girl student came into the class. Now moving on to the next, that is theme of the novel. So there are two major themes of this novel. First one is racism. The racism prevalent in Great Britain during the mid 1940s. 1940 was the year when this particular novel was written. So the time period during which To Serve with Love takes place is of primary significance in the novel. So the narrator cites repeated incidents in which he experiences the racism of white Britons, including encounters on the bus, at the job interviews, at Greenslade School, when searching for housing, at a restaurant, and his girlfriend, and so on. Second theme is student-teacher relationship. So Braithwaite gets a job of a teacher in a rather rough and notorious school. He finds that the students belong to a background that is not suitable for learning at all and their overall development and progress. So he notices that the students are in no mood to change their attitude and behavior. So Braithwaite, with his creative ideas, innovative techniques, understands the students' psychology and ultimately wins their hearts. Though he was bullied, harassed, mentally and physically tortured many times, but he did not lose his patience and continues implementing his novel ideas and unique techniques that helped him to bring a significant change in his students' lives. So that's all about the story of the novel. Now, only chapter 17 is prescribed to you for your 12th course book, and it is about the half-yearly report on the Students' Council. The students of the school report to the faculty on what they have been studying so far, and Braithwaite's class representatives speak knowledgeable about their coursework during the half-yearly report and how much they have learned and about different people, cultures, customs, and the importance of international and interracial cooperation. The half-yearly report is about students' progress and what they have been learned so far. And Braithwaite's students are Miss Joseph and Denham. They preside over the meeting. Mr. Florian is the headmaster. There is a panel of teachers that includes Mr. Weston, Mrs. Delivans, and Mrs. Phillips. They answered random questions of the students. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any question regarding this particular video and lesson To Serve with Love, please ask your questions in the comment box. Thank